Sora is free. Yes, everyone, Sora is free now. You heard it right, Sora is free. But first, I will show you how it is free and why it is free and where it is free. I will give you complete tutorial where to you can use it, how to use it. I will explain everything. First, check this out. What Sora is doing. These amazing images. But more importantly, check these videos. These are fantastic. Mean extraordinary. Wait a minute. Check this. This level of creativity is amazing. Even if it's not working, but still, this is insane. But thing is that now we can use free Sora. First, check this. The age, even the ramp folk look real. But how to use that? A spade. How much spade? I will show you. Let's see. Catwalk. Cat car. Okay, just cat car. Simple words. Okay, let's see. Added a queue. Wait a minute. Okay, he doing image generation, but we want to create video. Okay, so let's go back and go on videos. Describe image. Video. Cat car. See, you do not have active subscription. Please buy a plan to generate video and check out his plan first. 3 images per day if you do free. $20 per month. Up to 720 pixel resolution 10-second generation video. Okay, how many? That's they never confirmed. Okay, but if you go with 200 piece per month, fast generation, high resolution, high volume workflow, up to this quality and 20-second generation video. I think many are using it. But thing is that what we got here today, I will tell you step by step how you can use this. Microsoft using ChatGPT AI. Okay, so earlier ChatGPT using that. Microsoft have 51% investment in ChatGPT on OpenAI, so they are actually are the main person behind this OpenAI. So they are using it now. They allow to use it. I will show you how. First, you need to go to Microsoft. Sorry, Bing. Search Bing. You need to visit Bing here. Okay. It's still not working. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry. It's Microsoft Bing here. Grow your audience with Bing pages. Here you come, then click on images. Then go to create. Then here is video preview. But here's the thing, it's only available at where? It's only available on the mobile app. Bing Video Creator, now available on Bing app. Okay, so I will show you. I created one. Wait a minute. Check this migration. Oh, this one. Wait a minute. Go here. This is the video I created with. Check here. Powered by Sora. Okay, this is the video I created. See, I didn't give a proper prompt, but it make it same as Sora making. So, and it is completely free. So you can make unlimited. There are 2 versions. I will show there on my mobile phone. I will add the next video attached with it. You can see that. Okay, the first thing you need to download, install Bing app. I already installed. Here's the app. Microsoft Bing search. Install it. Okay, then open. You need to be signed in. If you have account, make it. Okay. Plus, you must have rewards. Without rewards, it's not going to work. Okay. Second thing, go here. Here's a box near. Click. Here's the option. Video creator. Okay. This is the video I've created. There are two things you need to understand. First is standard. Second is fast. Click here. Approximately. Okay. Fast. Up. You have 10 remainings. Portrait 5 seconds. This is how it's work. I think it's work according to the balance points. So balance point you can increase by searching on Bing. Make it Bing, Microsoft Bing as a official what do you say, default browser. That will help to increase. Then you can make unlimited video. One thing is must clear here. It is powered by Sora. Remember, it's powered by Sora. That's mean you are using Sora, which is free of cost at here. This is the video I created. Check this out. See, it's good. I just do use a simple promote, so it's not that much clarity, but it can work. But remember one thing, please make sure you have some points. So search on here, use Bing as a browser, default browser. It will have plus one thing, and most important, please subscribe, like, and share. I really need it to survive here. Otherwise, I cannot help you much longer. Thank you for your time. Enjoy being Sora and start earning money. Thank you.